Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. This video is about the high side electric reviews and why is it gaining popularity in United States. The high side electric reviews has been very famous and been gaining popularity recently and we'll know more about it. But before we move forward, I would love if you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you informative updates and news regularly. So the high side electric reviews include the high side electric company, which is known as the electrical and commercial industrial service provider company, high side electric. And you must also be thinking why it has gained popularity, and especially in places like United States. So for instance, if you are a resident of United States and you want to get some of the company's service in related to the electricity problems or any other upgradation or electricity services, this this company can help you with it. So it is a bounded license electric contract company which is currently based in United States, and it also has high speed electric LLC provider, which is a services in various electric fields that includes switch wire and installation of the cable, and it is also known for its work in solar and transformer works. So it first came out in 2012, and with their experience of many years, it is known for as a very renowned and prominent company in United States. It is also known for its emergency service, which is available 24 hours, and you can definitely visit their official website for knowing to know more about it. As you may have read that it is a specialized company which provides high in low voltage. Also it is overhead and underground switch installation, underground and overhead switch installation of the pole, cable and wire installation of both underground and overhead, specialized in transform oil testing, thermal thermal imaging, solar work, terminating and splicing of pieces, and the company also helps in providing low, medium, and high voltage electric services. So, as people say it, there are not a lot of appreciable reviews, but some of the customers have mentioned it as disgraceful and disgusting. But there were normal to minimal reviews of the company altogether. If you go out for and opt for some other electrical services, this can be a better option for you. However, this company can come handy to you when in case of emergencies, as it works 24/7. So that's one good point about it. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you informative updates regularly. Thank you.